Chapter 5, Section 1, Parallel Lines, Guided Practice and Independent Practice questions. Let's start with question 1. It says find the measure of JKL. So JKL, the angle of that one. So as you see, there's a 127. So they are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are congruent. When they are congruent, so they have same value of angle. So I can say 127 because of they are congruent as a corresponding angles. Okay, let's continue with question 2. As you see, it's asking about BEF, these angles. So I can write here measure of BEF, it's equal to 4x plus 19. So as you see, there is another angle given, so it's 7x minus 14, and they are corresponding angle. When they are corresponding angle, I can say they are congruent, so as a value they are equal. So 7x minus 14, let's subtract the 4x first, minus 4x, 3x minus, let's say 3x, everything's gone, 3x, I couldn't write here an x because that's the problem. Now 3x minus 14, it's equal 19. Now plus 14 plus 14, so 3x equal 33. Simplify by 3, simplify by 3. Let's take it a little up. Oops. That's better. So 3 is gone. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So I can say that x equal 11. So 33 and 3 I simplify by 3. So now I found the x, but the question is not about x. It's asking an angle. Which angle is that? Angle BEF. So what's the measure of angle BEX? It's 4x minus 4x plus 19. The x is 11, so I can say 4 times 11 plus 19. So 44 plus 19, 63. So measure of angle BEF, it's equal 63. Okay, let's continue. Find each angle in the measurement. So first the question is angle 1. Angle 1 is here. To find it, I will say this is a 90 degrees. So this is corresponding, so it's 90 degrees. So angle 1, and this angle must be 180. So measure of 1, it's equal 180 minus 90. So because this is 90 degrees and all here must be 180. Let's do another color. This is 180. As you see, this is 180, and if you see that one is here 90 degrees, so 1 plus 90 makes 180, or a measure of 1, it's equal 180 minus 90. Measure of angle 1, it's equal to 90 degrees. Actually, I can say all the angles are here. They are all right angles. They are all right angles. Okay, here another question. So as you see, they are same side interior angles. So the question asking about angle GB, so that one. So the other angles here we have 6x. Let's write that one first. Angle CBY. It's equal to 3x plus 9. 9. So what we know about the same side angle? So if they are same side integrals, the sum of them will be 180. I can say that 6x plus 3x plus 9. This is the first angle and this is the second angle. So let's use that one too. This is first angle plus second angle. It will be equal 180 degrees. Okay, now here 9x plus 9, it's equal 180 degrees. So 9x equal, let's subtract my 9, 171 degrees. So 171 divided by 9, so x equal 19. So we found x. 171 divided by 9, it's equal 19. So I found x, but the question not about x again. The question is about as an angle. So which angle? Angle of CBY. So it's equal 3x plus 9 here. So I wrote that one here. So all about that one, 3x plus 9. Let's substitute the x in 9 instead of x. 3 times 19. Sorry, the x is 19. We found here the x is 19 plus 9. So 3 times 19, it's equal 57 plus 9, 60, no, not 68, 66. So measure of CBY, the angle of CBY, it's equal 66. Let's continue. We don't have lots of time to lose here. So use the given and the converse of theorems to prove L is parallel to M. So to prove it, I need to say there are some rules. So for example, if the corresponding angles are congruent, we can say the lines are parallel. So in the 5, it says angle 4. So where is the angle 4? That one. The measure of angle 4. So measure of angle 4. So it's congruent with 4 is congruent with 8. So where is the 8 here? 8, that one. 4 and 8. So they are corresponding. So 4 and 8 corresponding. Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So 4 is congruent to 8. Therefore, we can say that what I told before. If the corresponding angles are congruent and it's given, the lines are parallel. Therefore, L is parallel to M. We can say that much. That was good. So if we know two corresponding angle congruent, so it's given here in the question, that one. You can see in the question it's given. So if the corresponding angles are congruent, we can say that the lines are parallel. Let's continue with, sorry about it. Put it back. That's better, yeah. Let's continue about question. Which question is that? 6. Keep the 5 is left side, that's better. Now let's continue question 6. What is 6 given? 6 says M2 equal 4x. So let me clean that one. No, come on. Clean that one. Okay. Measure of angle 2. Where is the angle 2 is? That one. 4x. Where is the angle 5? Is 2x. So x is equal to 30. If same side interior angle, so I need to check these are same side interior angles. So what we know? If sum of them, so measure of 5 plus measure of 2, if it makes 180, so the lines are parallel. So we can say that one. So measure 5, where is it? 2x here. So I can write here 2x plus what is measure 2, the angle to measure of angle 2, it's equal 4x, so 180. If this is correct, so it can be parallel. The lines L and M can be parallel. So 6x, it's equal to 180. What is x? X is equal to 30. Put here 30. 6 times 30. What is it? 180. Yeah, it's correct. 180. It's equal to 180. So here you can say L parallel to M. Why? Because sum of the interior angles is equal to 180. Okay, let's continue. The given M is parallel to K. So I already know that one. So 4 is congruent with 9. 4 is alternate interior angles. So let's not, black is not, you cannot see it easily. I think let's change the color blue. So 4 and 9, they are alternate interior angles and congruent. So that's done. Let's read it. Say prove that one. The K is parallel to Y. So I already know here. Then I know what I know. K is parallel to N. May I say that 4 and 8. Let's write it. And the line N is parallel to K. Line K. Therefore, angle 4 is congruent because of the corresponding angles are congruent. 4 and equal 8. Second one, if I can say that one, and you know 4 and 9 are the same value, don't forget it. 8 is congruent with the 4 and is congruent with the 9. Therefore, I can say that one 8 is congruent with 9. So, alternate interior angles are congruent. Therefore, line Y is parallel to K. And the question is K is first in the letter, so you can say, line K is parallel to line Y. Okay, alternate interior angles are congruent, therefore line K parallel to line Y. That's enough, I think. Let's continue another one. Now we finished the guided practice. Now let's continue. It will be a little faster than guided practice. Independent practice. It's asking KLM. This one. So I think black is not very clear. Corresponding angle. Measure of KLM. It's equal to 115 because the corresponding angles. Again, corresponding angles. 4A equal to A plus 50. Let's subtract the 2A's here. So 2A equal 50. A equal 25. So I simplify by 2. So A equal 25. But it's not asking about A. M, V, Y, X. It's equal here 4A. 4A. So what is A? A equal 25. We found here A equal 25. So we can say measure of angle Y, VYZ, VYX, it's equal to 100. Okay, let's continue. Okay, find each measure again. It's asking about EFG 17x, and I can say 13x plus 17x equal 180. Same side interior angles, it must be equal 180. 20, not 20, sorry. 13 plus 17 is 30x equal 180. So divided by 30, cancel the zeros and cancel the 3 divided by 3 is 1. So x is left. 18 divided by 3 is 6. X equals 6. Of course, again, don't forget the question not about x. The question is about 17x. So measure of EFG it's equal 17 times what is x? 6. So 17 times 42, 4 in my 100 to 102. Okay, let's cut it here. Let's continue this question. Same sides interior angle. The sum of them, we know, sum of them, it must be equal 180. STU, this is question asking about that one. So I can say that 4x minus 14 and that one are corresponding. So I can say 4x minus 14 for this angle. Let's say 4x minus 14 plus, this is our first angle, 3x plus 12, it's equal to 180. 7x minus 14 plus 12, it's equal minus 2 equal 180. 7x equal here plus 2, 182. So divided by 7, 7 gone, only x is left. 182 divided by 7 is equal to 26. So I found the x. Don't forget, this question not about the x. This question about 4x minus 14. So measure of STU. Sorry, maybe I need to shrink that one a little to make it clear. But I choose up. Sorry, oh, I failed. Sorry about it. Don't move it. Come on. Yeah, that's okay. I hope it's all done this time correctly. Yes, that's correct. Make shrink it a little. Take it left. Now we can continue. So measure of angle STU, it's equal 4x minus 14. So what is x? X equal 26. 4 times 26 minus 14. Now you need to calculate 4 times 26. So it makes 104 minus 14. So when you subtract it, it will be 90 degrees. So that's all. Thanks. Let's continue. Oh, there are two questions. These are proof questions. So you need to prove L and M are parallel. So I cannot see L and M. I assume that this is L and this is M. Let's see. For M4, there's a given M4 and M8. M8 is here. It's so these are corresponding angle 6x and this is 54. So I need to check 6 times, what is x? X equal 9. 6 times 9, it's equal 54. These are corresponding angle. When the corresponding L congruent, the L is parallel to M because of the corresponding angle. Both of them equal 54. That's okay. Let's see question 13. M3. I need to clean that part now because I need to draw new things. Now angle 3 is 100. So this is given 100. So M5 is 8x. So x equal 10. It's given here in the question. X equal 10. So what I need to check here, the 100 plus 8 times 10, x equal 10. What is it? 100 plus 80, 180. When you add them and the total equal 180, we can say that L and M are parallel line. So when the sum equal 180, you can say L and M parallel. Let's continue the last question of this section. Okay, see, it's given these are congruent, as you see, and change that color. 3, these are congruent. So these are given. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 are congruent, and BL, here you see with the line, that line, BL and GD, they are parallel line. So if they are parallel, I can say that, let's change a yellow color here. This angle, because of the parallel property, I can say that one. Measure of 1, the 1 and 3 are corresponding. So if I show that one, 2 is corresponding with the 4, so I can say that DH parallel to BG. So I already know from here, as you see it's given in the question, 2 and 1 are congruent. 3 and 4 are congruent. May I say that one? 2 is congruent to, so as you see that one and that one, they are all congruent. These are all congruent. Let's mark it for you right here. These are all congruent. Let's make a big mark here. Okay, these are all congruent. So 2, 1, 3, 4, they are all same. So I can say that here 2 and 4 are congruent. Yeah, that's better. Angles 2 and 4 are congruent. If the corresponding angles congruent, so 2 and 4, I found it. Let's clean that part. So let's write here. Hey, what's happened here? Yeah, 2, 4, they are congruent and corresponding angles for DH and BG. So I can say that DH is parallel to BG, or BG is parallel to, or you can change their places, no problem. In the question is asking about BG is parallel to DH. So they are same, they are parallel. That's the end of the lesson.